Hello, how are
How
you?
good, how are you?
I'm pretty good, thank you.
Good. My name is Holly. What is your name?
My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed. Nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
Where are you living right now?
Uh, I live in Iraq my whole life.
Cool. I always wanted to visit Iraq.
Welcome to you anytime.
Thank you.
Holly, before we start a conversation, I have to tell you that I upload my video, my session on YouTube. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, sure, that's fine.
Thank you, because I actually know you from YouTube because I saw like one video with the Brazilian guy.
Hmm.
It's like for 5 months ago, and I don't know your name because this guy didn't write your name in the title of his video. But I suddenly opened Cambly and see you in front of me. I said, "Oh wow, this is a good opportunity to call her."
It's the
But I hope
same.
I hope she don't have a reservation after me.
No, actually, strangely enough, I had a reservation and they never called. So it was
Mhm.
it was meant to be.
Yeah, because it's my luck.
Yes, exactly. Destiny. Good.
Yeah, yeah. We can change it by with fate. Is that
Exactly.
okay?
Yeah,
Y-
absolutely.
but you guys, you always use destiny. It's like a common word with you.
Yep, it is. It's true.
Yeah. So where are you from?
I am living in Texas right now. I'm actually from England.
You are from England,
Uh-huh.
but you live in Texas.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a big movement.
Yeah, over 4,000 miles.
But you are different from England people.
Yes.
You, because when I saw your videos, you're very friendly, and
Thank you.
when sometimes the England teachers that I had, it's like more serious. Not just like not just like friends, because we are English learners. We have to make a conversations with tutors, a little bit smile
To open them up a little.
to feel more comfortable.
Yes, it's true. That's very common trait for British teachers. They're going to kill me on YouTube. But
Yeah.
I get that often, and even people make the same comment you made. You're very friendly for someone who's British. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yep. Hmm. Yep,
So
very good point.
how long have you been there in Texas?
Ooh, I've been here 17 years.
It's a long time. So
It's a very long time.
yeah. So why did you move from England to Texas?
Sure. So it wasn't a direct move. Actually, we started off all over Europe. And when I moved from Texas, I was actually living in France at the time.
Hmm.
And since living in Texas, I've also lived in Boston
Hmm.
and California and always came back. So
Came back to where? To
always came back to Texas.
Texas. Uh-huh.
Hmm.
You feel like you are connected in Texas.
Yeah, yeah. Originally, I came over with my dad. We were expats, and he worked for IBM. So we came over on an expat deal, and we just decided to stay. We've been here ever since.
Hmm. So, but I'm sure that the reason behind you in Texas. What is the most beautiful things you love in Texas?
There are so many. So many things that I
Uh-huh.
love about this state and so many things that I absolutely hate. For
Mhm.
me, the things that I love about this place is it's so big. And everywhere you go is very different. Also, the hospitality in this country, or this state specifically, people are
Yeah.
so friendly.
Mhm.
So it's kind of a really nice experience, and you always feel at home. Doesn't matter where you are in Texas, you always feel at home.
Do you know what's the impression that I built in my imagination about Texas? Um, it's like the people there. It's always carrying guns and like bang, 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 bang.
Some of that is true. You're not wrong. Some of that is true. Cowboy hats. Good,
Yeah,
good day. but
yeah.
but some of that is true. It's accurate. And um a lot of people don't like Texas because it seems like a very scary place with the guns
Hmm.
and the
Yeah.
opinions. But you just get used to it, to be honest. When I first moved here, it was terrifying. But
Hmm.
you just get used to it.
Yeah, because you know your area, your neighbors, the usual supermarket that you used to go
Yeah, just like everywhere
there.
else, right?
Yeah, so everybody know you and everybody you know.
Yeah, I mean, Texas is a lot bigger than being able to know everybody in your city, but it's definitely a possibility. Absolutely. So, all right. So, tell me a little bit more about you when you are working, usually, and not in quarantine. What things do you like to do for fun?
Watching
Mhm.
movies, hanging with my family,
Mhm.
because I'm always love to hang out with my family with my kids. It's like we visit the malls, and my wife decide to buy new clothes for my kids, and she don't care about the credit cards.
I like her. I like her a
Yeah.
lot.
Oh my gosh, you you are in her
Yes,
side.
absolutely.
You do you want to hear something
Mhm.
funny? Um we've been in Turkey, Istanbul, Turkey. My wife and I. There's a brand. Maybe you heard about it, the El
Mm-mm.
for clothes. Yeah, it's a brand for Turkish people. It's famous with the clothes. And my wife, when she enter this mall, she she forget herself
Oh yeah,
herself.
that happens.
Yeah, just take this and this and this, and I watch. Oh my gosh, why? So so uh, that time I didn't tell her anything, or I didn't ask her to stop, but I thought to take her revenge.
Oh my.
Yeah, she she bought clothes like uh, $400, and in my currency, uh, for $400, it's a big for
Yeah.
clothes. Okay, yeah, we can buy in $400. It's like in my country. Uh, what do you call it for the something that you put there your
Oh,
clothes?
closet.
Yeah,
Mhm.
closet. Maybe there's another
Yeah, they
name.
call them oh man. I'll have to think of it. I don't know, but we don't use that word in America. That's a British word.
Yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
a closet. Okay, so after she finished, uh, I told her that I want to go to the KFC, and she welcomed the idea, and she said, "Yeah, I'm very hungry." So I told her, "What do you prefer?" She asked about something. I told the cashier that I want meals, spicy meals, but garlic spicy, and also give me my meal, but little
Yeah.
bit spicy. We don't like spicy food.
Ah,
Ever.
really?
Yeah. So we get the meal, and she starts eating, and she your her eyes, it turns to red.
That is an
Yeah,
evil
and
plan. Poor lady.
yeah, we are in different country, so we want to do a prank for ourselves, and taste new things. So it's funny, okay. uh, she told me that the food is very spicy. Have you told them to
Make it spicier?
put spices, make it
Mm-mm.
spicier? So I told her, no, it's very good. It tastes okay. I pick a piece from her meal, and I bite a little. Oh my
So
gosh!
spicy.
Yeah, very burning. It's burns my
Oh my
tongue.
gosh.
Yeah, and I told her to try my meal. She told me that it's spicy. She's confused because she got a bunch of
Her mouth is burning.
chicken is burning. So she confused. She can't distinguish from this and this. So so and I asked her, "Do you want another meal or something else?" She told me, "No, it's okay, it's enough. But can you brought me bring to me a Pepsi Cola?" Yeah. Oh my gosh, there is no Pepsi Cola.
Sorry.
A Coca Cola. Yeah, Coca Cola. So I got a big
American
cup
sized.
glass of, yeah, and she's full, she felt cold in her mouth. So I asked her to finish her meal. She told me, "No, it's okay." After we go back to our country, I told her the story.
Was she mad? That
No,
was funny.
yeah, she loves that because it's a memory. It's remain a good memory, and she think to revenge
Yeah, and
of
did she
me
ever get
in,
you?
in another
Okay.
time.
All right. You'll have to update me on the revenge.